Okay, so after the accumulated fund is done, I usually get my students to do the bar trading account. So your bar trading account is where we take your bar receipts, take away any debtors at the start of the year because that's from the previous period, add on any debtors at the end of the year because that's for this period. That'll give you your sales figure. Your bar purchases then, you take it straight from the question, and then any creditors at the start of the year, you take it away because that's from the previous period. Any questions at the end of the year, you add it on. Any creditors at the end of the year, you add it on because that's for this period, and that's going to give you your bar purchases. Your opening stock then, your bar stock is usually at the start. So when you're doing your bar trading account, you're looking for anything that says bar. So bar stock is at the start, and then you'll have bar stock then at the end. So your trading account then will look something like this. So you have your sales, which is working for. So your sales account is the amount, which is 74,000, taken straight from the question. There are your bar receipts. You're going to take away any debtors at the start of the year. So 1,228 is going to be taken away. And then you're going to add on any debtors at the end of the year. Remembering those debtors will also go into your current assets in your balance sheet. So bar debtors 300 is going to be added on. So that 300 then goes in your balance sheet as a current asset. And 73,020, that's going to be your sales. So that's going to be your trading account. Then your next working then is going to be your purchases. So it'll be 38,500. That's taken straight from the question. So bar purchases. Any creditors at the start of the year, you're going to take them away because that's for the previous period. So less 8,400. And then any creditors then at the end of the year, you're going to add them on. Remember, they'll also go into your current liabilities in your balance sheet because they're liability. So your creditors, 8,600. So you're going to get 38,700. So your trading account then will look like your sales, 73,020. Your open stock is going to be 15,000. That's taken straight from the question up at the top. 15,000. Then you're going to have your purchases that we just did a working on for working 5. And then you're going to have your closing stock then of 13,300. And that's at the end of the question. So 13,300. Majority of times this is the same format. So it's a process by process, step by step process when you do your club accounts. So there's not going to be much changes to them. So as long as you get into the scale and get into the routine of answering all these questions, you should be okay. And that's your gross profit then, 33,600. So because it's a profit, that'll go to income and expenditure and it'll go on the income side. And that's how you do your bar trading account.